CRCL Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Thursday and onward. Is it a buy? I'm mainly talking about next week. Well, let's talk about it. Circle Internet Group Stock Analysis for me. This is a pretty bearish market to say the least. My CRCL stock prediction is pretty simple. I mean, I do have some previous receipts in the Discord. I have 59 receipts just with CRCL. But ultimately, this is like one heck of a bearish market. I'm genuinely I have nothing in mind regarding CRCL other than just bearishness right now. And this is not me saying that I'm just here sitting and selling, you know what I mean? Like ultimately, this is something that I'm not even willing to trade, purely because you're just a tanking bearish market and it's at the lower lows, right? If it was possibly, you know, I'm talking like herein of rules for med, I would have swung towards the bearish side, but right now the price is just bearish for me. Like bearish market, worthless, not willing to trade it. This is pre-market. Market's going to be opening like 20 minutes. Either way, if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years, completely free, link is in the description. Bye bye.